Hey Fit Fam, I have just received my Les Mills Body Pump Smart Bar and plates / dumbbells. I am extremely excited for these. Being a pump instructor, you know, this is like every instructor's dream to have these. Yes, it is a very big investment. I think it cost me over $500, but I will say it's gonna definitely be worth every penny. So here we go. So this is the Smart Bar. The reason why these are every instructor or personal trainer's dream is because between the bar and the plates, they are interchangeable, and it's easy to take the plates on and off of the Smart Bar, okay? These things have a lot of features. If you would like to see the original video advertisement for these, it's definitely worth a watch. I will post that below in the description, all right? So these things are really cool. You can already see that they twist, so it takes a lot of pressure off of your joints, all right? I will say this is very well packaged, considering it was shipped in the original packaging. So we're going to get rid of that. All right, I'm so excited. So these alligator mouths on here, you can pull these back to take plates on and off. So that is what this guy looks like so far. Oh my gosh. Oh, the grip on there is lovely. I love the line markings that they placed, so you know where to grip at. It feels really smooth, but also doesn't slide on the hands, all right? So that's how that's looking so far. Definitely really great quality, but for spending well over $500, it better be good quality. And for the plates, now for the plates, what makes these so special is the fact that they're not just plates for this barbell here, they are also dumbbells. Alright, let's get rid of that. Oh my god, they're so pretty. So, with these, oh, I love the grip. So you can have multiple hand grips, all right? It even has grips on the sides for you to hold on the sides. And they're the perfect size for if you would need to stack them. So with this, I have my 1 kilogram or 2.2, and then I have, or hold on. Yeah, okay, so these are the same size. Anyway, so from here, if I wanted to, it's a nice firm grip to stack if I need to. So I have my 1 kilogram, 2.2 lbs, pounds. I have a 2.5 kilogram, which is 5.5 pounds. There's another set here. Boom. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the material that it's made out of. It's not cheap. Okay, this is the heavy one. And I have my 5 kilograms, which is 11 pounds. Oh, it's getting heavier and heavier as we go down. So, absolutely stunning piece of equipment. And very pleased. So how this works is, in body pump, if you've ever taken a body pump class, you know that you have to change out your weights really, really quick between your, before each section of the workout, so before each song. So each song is choreographed as you're moving through, but I'm just kind of giving an example of what this guy is. So from here, when you're changing out your weights during class, you will be able to snap this into place. And obviously you want to do your larger weights on the inside first. From here, pulling back. So if I need to swap out in class with my weights, obviously they're locked in. From here, oh, that spin is so smooth. So moving through your exercises, if I say, all right, it's not light enough, I can literally swap this out in just a few seconds and make it heavier, clicking that into place. Same thing, super quick transitions, boom, from there. Now I just noticed I really didn't even need to pull back on the gator mouth. Honestly, it just clicks in. So super, super quick during your workout. Yes. Definitely smooth. I really enjoy the fact that this bar rotates. It definitely does take the pressure off of your wrist. This is so cool. So from here, if I needed to change out my weight, bringing it down, unclip, boom, that fast. Unloading and loading the bar is so much quicker. And then I can even use them as dumbbells. You can stack them. If you need to do tricep extensions, presses, lunges. Oh my gosh, I could go on for hours with this. This is so slick. All right, well, this is for my in-home clients. I specifically got this for when I'm training people at their houses. And I definitely think I'm gonna have some happy and excited clients who would love to try this guy out. Oh, I just want to keep playing with it and just taking things on and off. But super excited for this. I don't have any bad things to say about the Smart Bar, other than the fact that it's super expensive. But obviously, if you want quality, this is definitely the way to go. That is all.